This 2018 Highland Ridge Open Range Light LT280 RKS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sandy, Oregon, 97055 and is offered for sale by Johnson RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Highland Ridge is 31 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 4, slide-out, and 51 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features front bedroom, outdoor kitchen, rear kitchen, U-shaped dinette. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.